Let's just hope I'm in focus. Hey, what's going on, guys? Eric here, back with another Final Cut tutorial. I know these aren't very popular on my channel, but I still do them. I like making them. I know some people find them very helpful, so those are the people I make them for. So this is a transition I did in the last drone video you saw yesterday. If you haven't seen that yet, check it out. Man, I just got the hiccups for no reason. I'm not trying to pat myself on the back, but I really like that video. So yeah, in the timeline, I have the one clip I have. It's a drone, and this is how you fake a dolly zoom effect. So obviously you're gonna wanna have the shot moving forward or backward, and it'll work both ways. So this specific shot is moving forward towards my cabin. I'm going to stabilize it first, watch it through, and basically all you need to do, super easy. So here's near the end of the clip, I have this cabin lined up, and what I'm going to do is transform, keyframe, and I'm going to look at both sides where it lines up with everything, and then I'm going to go to the beginning of the clip. It's going to downgrade the quality a lot, but when you do it, it looks good. So there's that. Now check this out. Yeah, the quality is not the best, but it looks dope. So I'm actually gonna speed that up to about 4 times. And look at that, it's just like, it looks like it stretches everything out in the back. It pulls in the foreground and pushes back the background. And I think that looks just like, see, if you look like right back here, see this garage? It's nowhere to be seen. Pull forward, boom, it's there. And see all these trees and everything. It all disappears, and I think that's just an awesome effect to use every now and then. Of course, you can run out this little effect and make it look disgusting. Don't do that. Ruins it for everyone else too if everyone sees it for everyone. I used it once in that drone video. Let's do the same thing on a different clip, why don't we? Feels like it just like stretches things out. It looks so sick, in my opinion. Like that just looks cool. Like look at the background. It just like stretches out. I know a lot of people might not think that's cool, but like to think that's not in camera, that's post, pretty cool. And it's not even anything like extreme. So yeah, that's how you do that little effect. Really cool to use specifically to small parts. Like I said, I only used it once out of that in that last video, but it's probably one of my favorite parts because it goes by fast, but if you notice it, it's sick. And also for those of you that watch consistently, I do get a haircut. So let me know what you think of that, I guess. Used to be down to like here, I think. My head feels very light now. Yeah, that's pretty much it. If you liked the video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more. Consider sharing with a friend if you thought it was helpful or interesting. And let me know if you want to see any other cool effects, how to do them in Final. Yeah, see you next time.
Had a Clippers game on the court side. Watch a nigga shoot like a 4-5. They mad at me too, I got more fire. Why these bitches see